I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the dime case and earbuds have power, low battery blocks pairing. Once done, open the case and press the pairing button for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible, and stay close, within about 3 meters, so the initial handshake is reliable. This step creates the radio link and broadcasts the earbuds name so your device can find them quickly. Next, look in your phone's Bluetooth list and choose the device labeled Dime. Tap to connect. You'll often hear a confirmation tone or see a connected status. If the earbuds use one master and one slave, wait a few seconds for internal left-right sync to finish. If either bud fails to show sound or camera audio is out of sync, reseat them in the case and repeat pairing. This forces a fresh master election and usually fixes stereo or latency mismatches. Finally, play a short audio clip to confirm left and right channels, adjust volume, and check the physical fit to ensure a proper seal for bass. If your model has an app, install updates to improve stability and battery life. Make sure updates finish before using. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset the buds by holding the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. This reset clears previous bindings and resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.